LuvLap Galaxy Stroller. Contents in the box: stroller frame, handlebar, canopy, food tray, 2 front wheels, 2 rear wheels, rear wheel axle, 2 rear wheel hubcaps, 2 cotter pins, 2 washers, 2 screws, 2 brake sockets, and assembly manual. To assemble, carry out the following steps. Open the stroller by grasping the backrest and the front stroller frame. Stretch and open the stroller and lock it on both sides of the rear legs of the stroller until a click is heard. Install the front wheels by pulling the lever up and inserting into the sockets provided in the front of the stroller by keeping the locks facing front. Now assemble the rear wheels with the rear wheel axle. First, place the brake socket in the slots provided. Then fit the wheel to the axle rod. Then put the washer. Secure the wheel with a cotter pin and place the hubcap. Repeat the same for the other wheel. Attach rear wheel assembled axle to the stroller frame with the center lock knob facing back. Recline the backrest and attach the canopy by inserting it into the slots on either sides of the stroller and secure the canopy with screws on both sides. Pull the canopy forward and straighten the bars on both sides. Attach the handlebar by inserting both its ends into the plastic projected slots provided on either sides of the stroller. Attach the food tray by inserting it into the slots provided in the front of the stroller and press down until a click is heard. LuvLap Galaxy Stroller is now completely assembled and ready for your little one. Make your baby's life's little stories special.